Hey, thanks for scanning that QR code. I really do appreciate it. So if you're thinking about selling your home and you want to learn how we are able to sell your home for top dollar and how we can actually sell it for fast, it really just comes down to marketing. Just like this video here, I was able to drive you to this video, right? At the end of the day, it's about how you market your property. You got to work with the right agent. I'm going to show you exactly all the strategies that I use to help you to sell your home faster and also for more money. And yes, that is my $400,000 Lamborghini. Give me a call. All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. So today I'm out here in the city of Henderson, beautiful master plan community of Lake Las Vegas. And the neighborhood here is Lago del Sol by Lennar. Now they have a few floor plans to pick and choose from. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different floor plans. Some of these are 3-car garage. Some of them will have a RV parking. Some of them will be the single story with a 2-car garage, but also a NextGen. Now the square footage ranges anywhere from 2320 square feet all the way up to 2668. But today we're going to be focusing on the Riviera. Reason why I want to take a look at this one, because it's a big lot, and now I did tour this thing as they were framing it out, and the views are gorgeous. And also this one has the NextGen suite. Now this one is 2,585 square feet, features 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. So we're going to take a look at this, and I just want to kind of show you kind of like where we're at here. I mean, look at the mountain views. This is gorgeous. Now the planes will land over here, so you'll see all the planes. Some of these lot premiums are going to run you over $100,000. Now, all these will have like view fencing, so you'll have some sort of view, but obviously we want a unobstructed view because that's what it's about. And today it is about 11:43, and it's already 103 degrees, which is, it's not that bad, believe it or not. All right, let's take a look and let's see exactly what comes with this home. They're doing a lot of spec building, which means that they're building it out for you. So we have our water line, our gas, and then we have the Trex system, and here is our power panel box, demarc, and the sensor for your coach lights. We've got the terracotta pavers. Now what I like about this NextGen here is that you do have an entry. Now what I would do is probably put an iron fence all the way and have it about 8 feet high. So that way now you have this courtyard. Now when you do that, you need to make sure you add rain gutters, because if it starts raining, you're gonna get rain that's gonna pound just right here in a line, and you're gonna see that line. And eventually it's gonna eat up these pavers here. So just keep that in mind. Now, I'm gonna go inside for just a second. Give me a second here. Let me unlock this door. As you can see, you have the Yale system. Okay, it's not opening. Still scanning. Come on, get me in here. Whew, it is getting hot, folks. Hang tight. I'll be right back. All right, sorry about that. Now we are inside the house. Okay. Let's take a look at this. First thing I've noticed, how wide the hallway is, which is perfect. Now the ceilings here are only 9 feet high. We got some orange peel texture. Baseboards here, only 3 inches on the baseboard, straight edge cornering. So let's do this. Let's just walk down here for just a second. Let's get the lay of the land here. All right, so it's nice and open. Love this. This is just great for entertaining for sure. Primary on this side. Really well laid out. I think this is one of my favorite floor plans. So let's go back to the front here. See what we got. So this is your powder for your guests. 36 inches high on the cabinets, Petrofina, undermounted sink. And then the products that you're gonna see here is pretty much all stock and standard throughout all Lennar. Eat, sleep. Okay, not bad of a size. So we have a queen size bed, 2 nightstands about 2 feet. So we're probably looking at a good 12 feet by 12 feet. So I do like that. On this one, does come with the light, obviously, the LED light. But it's only one rocker switch on here. So that means if you're going to add a ceiling fan, you need to get the one with the remote. That's going to be important. So remember that. Also, when it comes to the ceiling fan, believe it or not, there are all types of ceiling fans as far as how many inches? 19, 23, right? 26, because the downdraft on it will cover the room. So it's something that you just need to be aware of. And if you're looking for a ceiling fan on the exterior of your home, like on the porch or the cover patio, there's certain blades that is made for that. Tub shower combo, okay. Not bad. Excuse me. Oh, this one's got dovetails, soft closing cabinets. So this is the side yard. Unfortunately, we probably won't be able to go outside because they have a pool for liability purposes. There we go. 5-panel door, coat closet. Okay, not bad. So here's the NextGen. So this is just like perfect. I do love this floor plan for a single-story home. But man, you got to move out here to Lake Las Vegas. Now, there's nothing wrong with Lake Las Vegas. Now, like shopping and all that, it's probably going to take you a good 15, 20 minutes because there's really no shopping around here. And I'm talking about like if you want to go to like Galleria Mall, which is the mall, or, you know, like Costco's and stuff like that. Now, normally refrigerator, washer, and dryer are not included, so just make sure to negotiate this. 42 upper cabinets with a 3-inch crown. Okay. Again, here is the service door that takes us out to the courtyard. Laundry room. It's a double stack here. Let's take a look. This is electric, 220. Make sure to check the amperage on there. Okay. You want to make sure you got the right breaker on there. Should have a 40 amp breaker. Because if you have a 20, that thing will trip. So, something to keep in mind. All right, so I mean, you know what? Did we look at this bathroom? No, we didn't. So the tile here has been upgraded. 3/4 bath, fiberglass tub. I mean, this is just kind of like perfect for like, you know, your family member. So it looks like on this one we have the transfer grill here. The only thing about these transfer grills, you can actually see the 2x4s. Make sure they paint that inside of it so that way you don't see it. Such an eyesore. And this is where we talked about attention to detail. Got the alarm system here. That would be an upgrade. 36-inch panel box. Let's see what we were working with. Oops. Okay, so it looks like they have some coax cable, which is perfect. Washer and dryer. Not included, all optional, even with the upper cabinets. Love the fact that we have our attic access right here too as well. Something I would probably do is definitely add the utility sink. Now, if you're like, hey, you're buying this as the way it is, they don't offer it, let's just say. The good news is your drain line is here. You still got the hot and cold that you can tap in, and also you have power here. So if you wanted to like add a refrigerator, I'd probably do that here just for like extra storage. So do the refrigerator, utility sink, perfect. So that way you don't have to put your refrigerator outside. Unfortunately, we can't go into the 2-car garage, but I'm sure it does come with a tankless water heater. Pantry, definitely happy with the pantry. But also, hey, I just want to let you know, with the market, what I've noticed is going on, a lot of these builders now are doing more single-story homes, bigger homes with bigger lots, and they're charging more money, like literally about 1.1 million. And that's kind of like where the market is at right now, because builders are starting to realize that people here in Vegas want more bigger lots. They want 3-car garage or an RV as well. So that's kind of like their target audience. We have an 8x8 slide, vinyl slides, but you already know like the materials, right? Cosmetic materials for Lennar, it's not top notch. I feel like the stuff is apartment grade, but the quality build of what you get is there. The size or the price per square foot on the size is completely there. And that's what you're really paying for with this builder. So keep in mind, you're still gonna have to come in here and do some crazy upgrades to the home. But they have the right floor plan. They do have the right layout, which I think is really cool. Obviously, there's gonna be Moens, all universal, so you can just change this out. I definitely would just go all stock and standard. We have a nice 18-inch toilet, and then we have a corner turn, which is perfect. That's what I would always want for the supply line. Now, if you guys want more information about this property, let me know, okay? And if you don't have a real estate agent and you're looking to buy a brand new home, let me help you. Let me walk you through the process. There's no charge to you whatsoever. Unfortunately, we won't be able to go outside. I really wanted to show you guys this view. It's so gorgeous. Maybe we'll walk to the outside and I can show you what's going on. Oh, you know what? We didn't even look at the kitchen yet. All right, let's take a look at this kitchen. Beautiful island. Island's probably a 4x12. This is a Petrofina. It is cut down the middle on here, under-mounted sink. And then right here, we have a soft water loop. For purification. Now, this one doesn't have it. Now, how Lennar, what they do is this. If you want this drilled in, they'll tap this in for you through a third-party company, but then that's where the third-party company tries to sell you on that RO system, okay? Here we have our just apartment-grade dishwasher, GE package appliances, which is not that great. Also, if you can upgrade the cook countertops, you need to do that on a home like this. You will be into this home for over $1 million. So to have a slide-in stove is definitely a no-no, okay? And also, we've got the microwave. This is such an apartment grade, which for a home like this, I feel like we cannot do this. I would rather have a nice hood, but then also build out a double stack oven as well, and a microwave, and create that nice chef kitchen. Here we have a 36-inch refrigerator. Again, I'd whack this out and we'll do a counter depth. You definitely have to do a counter depth on this one, okay? See if we can take a look at the outside. Look at that view, gorgeous. So on this one, we have pre-wire for the ceiling fan, 4-can lighting in here, which is a plus. We need to double check to make sure we actually have the Smurf tube, and do we actually have the 1-in-1. Again, this is why you're gonna hire me at no charge. There is a charge, free $99. That's what we're gonna charge you, okay? Look, at the end of the day, for all you followers, I do appreciate you, and if you wanna see me win, give me a call. I'm looking to earn your business. But let's go outside real quick, because I wanna show you the view. The view is gorgeous. All right. This model right here, I think, is the Lane model, which is the RV garage. Spectacular. A lot of construction going on. I mean, it's kind of messed up that you're really like messing up the land here. Comes to a point where like, damn, you guys are just tearing this place up. But also, you know, it does look beautiful as well. I mean, look at all this. This is all mountain hillside. This is ripping this all up. Look at this. All trenching all through there. I mean, look at this view. It's gorgeous, right? Today's a good day, folks. I don't know what it is, but there's just some days where you're just like, hey, I appreciate life, and today is like one of those days for me. It's like, I'm just happy to be alive and doing these videos again. At one point I was just getting like a little bit like, seeing all the same homes, but now I'm just really just enjoying the moment. Because I always felt like I'm on a rush, but today is just very thankful for everything, especially you guys out there. All right, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Now, if you guys want to schedule an appointment to see this property, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach on out to me. All right, guys, be blessed.